Afternoon. I just want to show you a little quick and easy Christmas gift that you could put together in 5 minutes, and it's pretty nice, I think. I put some Hod Podge. It's just crafter's glue, and you can put it inside this wood piece that I got at Michael's. And I did paint it. It was regular wood color. I'll show you what it looked like. I did make a different one like this, and it's a regular, wood color. And then I hot glued the keys on there, put my favorite paper in there, and then put the cup hooks on the bottom. So on this one, I put the Mod Podge, which is the craft glue, after the paint is dry. So that's all you do, is make sure your paper fits, and don't worry if you have Mod Podge like up here. You can wipe it off, but it will dry clear, so it really won't matter a whole lot if that happens. So that's all you do, is line it up, make sure your hands are clean, and put that in there. And then press it in there. Make sure, get all your corners done, and it gets stuck in the glue. And then you let that dry. And it's such an easy, fast project. I probably don't even need to wait for this to dry. So you can take keys. I got these at Michael's also. And you can get all different kinds of sizes, which are really cool. I am going to make another one and put the big ones on there, and I can show you that one too. But on this project, I think I'm just going to put 2 smaller keys in there. Probably doesn't matter which way. I'm undecisive where I want to put the keys. I'm kind of thinking like that, a little off is okay, maybe a little up there. So then when the glue dries, that's all you do, is get your hot glue gun and hot glue the keys and lay them on there, and then you're all done with this project. Except for one thing, is I need to put another cup hook, and my tripod broke, so I'm doing everything with one hand today. So yeah, I'm going to put another cup hook on there. And as far as that goes, you want to be really careful so it doesn't come through here or the back. You want to be really careful so people don't hurt themselves on that. So I'm going to put that on, and I'll be right back. All right, it's all done, dried. I put the keys on there with the hot glue gun. It took about 5 minutes, so you can't really see the cup hooks on the bottom, but they're there. But yeah, I hope you like. All right, here's the other project I wanted to show you. Here again is the wood piece of wood that I got at Michael's, and I painted it black underneath all around it, and then I did put white paint on it, and then after a while I'm going to sand the white to make it look more antique. But for now, here I'm just going to put the Mod Podge on, make a hodgepodge project, and I'm putting quite a bit on there. So I'm not making it chunky or anything. I just want to make it smooth out and put all the paper on there. And then when it dries, the Mod Podge, won't show. Everything is transparent, so the paper will show through as it looks now. But I'll show you more when I get all that done, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I got the Mod Podge and shredded paper on there. This is the first time I've actually made one of these, so I'll have to wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. Alright, this project got done. The glue is actually still drying, but I did put the keys on and the cup hooks. There's actually 5 on this project, but other than that, this project is done, and I hope you enjoyed. And they are for sale if anybody's interested. Thanks for watching. I did make this one also, and I got the contact paper from the Dollar Tree for $1, and then the keys I got at Michael's, the board at Michael's, and the cup holders, or the cup hooks, excuse me, I got at Walmart. But thanks for watching today. If you're interested in any of them, I can send them out, and just get a hold of me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Boom!